Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between debt consolidation and debt settlement. Both are popular debt relief options, but they work in very different ways. Let's understand each difference one by one. Number 1. Debt consolidation combines multiple debts into one single loan or payment plan, whereas debt settlement negotiates with creditors to reduce the total debt amount. Number 2. In debt consolidation, the full debt amount is usually repaid over time, whereas in debt settlement, only a portion of the debt is paid after negotiation. Number 3. Debt consolidation may improve your credit score gradually with regular payments, whereas debt settlement often lowers your credit score significantly. Number 4. Debt consolidation generally has a repayment period of around 3 to 7 years, whereas debt settlement may take around 2 to 4 years on average. Number 5. Debt consolidation usually includes lower interest rates on the new loan, whereas debt settlement may eliminate interest but often includes settlement fees. Number 6. Debt consolidation involves structured monthly payments, whereas debt settlement often requires lump sum payments into a settlement account. Number 7. Debt consolidation usually requires a loan approval process, whereas debt settlement does not require taking a new loan. Number 8. In debt consolidation, accounts generally remain in good standing, whereas in debt settlement accounts are often delinquent or defaulted before negotiation. Number 9. Debt consolidation involves paying a lender directly, whereas debt settlement requires negotiating directly with creditors. Number 10. Debt consolidation provides predictable results from the beginning, whereas debt settlement results are only visible after agreements are reached with creditors. Number 11. Debt consolidation is considered a standard financial product, whereas debt settlement is legal but heavily regulated in many places. Number 12. Debt consolidation is generally less stressful because payments are fixed and predictable, whereas debt settlement can be stressful due to creditor calls and uncertainty. Number 13. Debt consolidation can help build positive credit history through on-time payments, whereas debt settlement may stay on your credit report negatively for several years. Number 14. Debt consolidation is best for people with manageable debt and stable income, whereas debt settlement is better for people facing severe financial hardship. Number 15. Debt consolidation carries lower financial risk because you repay what you owe, whereas debt settlement may involve higher risk and possible taxes on forgiven debt. To summarize, debt consolidation is a better option for individuals who can manage regular payments and want to protect their credit score, whereas debt settlement is more suitable for those struggling with overwhelming debt and looking for immediate relief. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.